So the update in the minute, you can actually watch the assemblage of my fried dough specialty here. So come take a look. Sure. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
And then I'm going to take some maple cream.
I haven't had maple cream in so long.
And I'm going to drizzle it all on top of
This. I'm glad I caught this. People have to see this for sure. Oh my goodness, that looks so amazing. A maple cream fried dough sundae, sort of. Look at this.
And then I'll give you the spoon.
Wowza.
Hi, how are you?
Thank you.
Enjoy.
See if I can turn around. So voila, something to enjoy here on the west end of the shows here at Brimfield. I'm gonna have to sit for a minute, I guess. We'll see you again in just a bit. Bye for now.